You almost home?
I had a few things to finish up at the office. I should be there in about 10 minutes.
Good. Because Scarlett has already left for Darcy's house. The champagne is chilling, and I am feeling frisky.
Make it 7.
I love you.
I love you too. See you soon.
Okay. What do you think?
This is where you live?
Where we live.
What was wrong with our old house?
Scarlett.
Dad spent a lot of time working on it. It was home.
I know, and this can be home too.
It's not the same.
Look, I know none of this is easy for you. But can you do me a favor and at least try?
Don't you think it's a little weird? He was Dad's business partner.
Greg has been very good to us.
You mean he's been very good to you?
Wait until you see the room that he put together for you.
Can't wait.
Come on, I'll show you in. Come on. Oh, before I forget, I picked up that application form you wanted for the Capital Internship Program.
I don't suppose your boss would be willing to write me a letter of recommendation, would he?
The mayor's a busy man. I'll see what I can do.
Thanks.
Why don't you get settled in? I'll make us some lunch.
Okay.
Everyone was so excited about you coming home for winter break. We thought we'd have a few people over.
A few?
I hope that's okay.
Of course. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Hi.
You're so thin. What's the matter? Didn't have cafeterias at Yale?
Nice to see you too, Uncle Gene.
Look what the cat dragged in.
Darcy.
You think just because you go off to the East Coast, you're too good to come back and visit your bestie? Isn't your mom's new place amazing? Wait until you see the hot tub.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. And a sauna.
Greg.
I still remember the first time your dad brought you into the office. You were here. Look at you now, college girl. Come here. Oh, it's great to see you again.
Thanks.
You know, I don't know if I ever told you, but I'm an Ivy man myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Harvard. From experience, I should warn you about those preppy college boys.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
I'm gonna get some water.
Why don't you hang out? I'll get you one.
No, it's okay. I got it.
I'll talk to her.
Greg.
Really glad you came home for the winter break.
Right. Home.
You know, the mayor's gubernatorial campaign is really wearing your mother out. And I've been so busy at work. Be nice to have a fresh face around here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Listen, I know this can't be easy. Seeing your mother move on, new house, new husband. But listen, I want you to know that we both want the same thing.
Really? What's that?
For your mother to be happy. Listen, if you're not busy tomorrow night, I'd love to take you and your mother out for dinner. What do you think?
Sure, that sounds good.
Awesome. Oh, I was gonna wait for tomorrow night, but I think maybe this is the right moment. I don't know.
You didn't have to get me anything.
Yeah.
No way, the new V7? I didn't think they were out yet.
First of the year, working in the computer industry has its perks.
I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything. Welcome home. Now, come on, you got a whole room full of people out there waiting for you. Let's go.
I'm not 12, you guys. It's weird, right? Going out like that in the middle of the night?
Did you ask him about it?
And say what? Hey, Greg, hit up any sweet raves lately?
He probably just forgot something at work.
Yeah.
Your mom's happy. Can't you just be happy for her?
I guess.
Oh, guess who came in the other day?
No.
Mm-hmm. He was asking about you. You didn't return any of his texts?
I've been busy.
Scarlett, you and August were so good together.
It was high school. People change. I just want to move on and not look back.
I'm just saying there's worse things in life than August Martin. Oh, I'm off at 6. You want to grab dinner tonight?
No can do. Greg's taking us out to celebrate the prodigal child's return.
Huh. New phone, fancy dinner. Sounds like someone's making an effort.
You tell them that if they run that story, we're gonna come after them with everything we've got. Because I'm tired of the press acting like our opposition's super PAC. It's cultural bias, Stephen. Hold on.
Do you know where my new shoes are? I think they might still be in the box, Mom.
Look, I gotta go. I'll check in with you after dinner. Wow, you look so grown up.
Mom.
Where is your stepfather? We're gonna be late. Ooh, speak of the devil. Hey, hon, we're ready to go.
I'm gonna have to stay at the office a while.
I thought you said tonight was the night.
I know. It's a problem with the coding. I gotta trace back through the program.
You can't do that tomorrow?
The launch is in 8 days. Can you two go without me?
The whole point was for us to go as a family.
I know. I'm sorry. I promise I'll make it up to her. Can we talk about this when I get home?
Yeah, sure.
Love you.
See you soon.
I'm just gonna work on my application.
You sure?
Yeah, it's okay.
I'll heat up a pizza.
You know how busy it gets before a new product launch? I am sorry about tonight.
There's leftover pizza in the fridge.
But you know how important my work is and what's riding on it.
Tell Scarlett. It was supposed to be her night, not mine.
You know how badly I wanted to be here. I have responsibilities for my company. Anytime I want to, because I want to be there. Step down.
Had to work late in the office, huh?
Hey there.
Hi.
What you working on?
My essay for my internship up in Sacramento.
I wanted to apologize for tonight. I really wanted to be there.
It's okay. I get it. You had to work late.
You know, this is all new for me. Balancing work and family. I never had a daughter before.
Stepdaughter.
You know, I just hope in the future you can forgive me if I don't always get things right.
So that project you've been working on must be pretty important, huh?
It is. We've been working on it for years and it's almost finished.
Was my dad involved? When you two worked together?
Yeah, of course.
Well, I'd love to know more about it.
Well, as you know, a lot of what we do is pretty sensitive. And most of it I can't even tell your mother. But you give me a week, and once we launch, everything will be back to normal. I promise.
Sure.
So maybe we can go check out that new mini golf place just opened. I hear you used to be pretty good at.
I'm not 10 anymore.
Well, I didn't know there was an age limit on mini golf. Good night.
Night. Does this look like a place you meet your coworker?
No.
And he told my mom he was working late and had to stay at the office.
Maybe he was getting a gift certificate or something.
Without his wedding ring? he was acting kind of funny.
Like he said, I mean, this is all new to him.
Yeah.
Hey, you're the one going through his GPS. I get it. My mom first married Chris, I was pissed. It was like there was this new guy moving in and taking over.
Mm-hmm.
At least you actually know Greg.
I see him at company parties and stuff.
Yeah? You can't say your mom's rushing into anything.
I guess not.
So, why don't you stop playing Encyclopedia Brown and give August a call? Better yet, you can visit him at work.
Does he still work at that comic book store?
And I'm sure he'd love to see you. Just promise. No more snooping.
Okay, I promise.
Back to work.
Did you see my phone? I was talking to Mom earlier, and I think I might have left it in here.
No, sorry.
That's okay. I'll just take a quick look around and be out of your way.
Come on.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, well, come on in.
If he wants to hear the mayor's views on sanctuary cities, he can put them on the air. Okay, I'll be in the office in about 30 minutes. Great. Bye. Everything okay?
Good morning.
Hey, morning. Quick breakfast?
No, I'll grab something at work.
Okay. You gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm just gonna work on my essay.
You do know the meaning of the word break, right?
Yeah, I'll go to a movie later or something.
That's more like it. Dinner tonight?
Can't. Already promised Darcy.
Okay, rain check. Love you.
Love you too.
Enjoy your day.
You too.
You should have seen him this morning. It was like nothing ever happened. I want to tell my mom, but it's gonna kill her.
You didn't actually say anything, right? Kissing, touching.
No.
Have you considered the possibility that they're just friends?
What?
Don't look now. What part of don't look don't you understand?
Maybe he didn't see me.
He's coming over. I'm gonna go pay for the bill.
Don't leave me.
Darcy.
Hi, August.
I heard you were back.
Yeah, just for winter break.
Look,
August,
I know I'm not cool like those Ivy League guys.
It's not that. You're here, and I'm in Connecticut. And if I get that summer internship up in Sacramento, I don't know when I'll be back.
So, in other words, one day you're gonna be like this big politician, and I'm still gonna be selling comic books.
You really think I care about that?
I miss you, Scarlett, and maybe we'll just be friends, but I want to be there for you. Scarlett?
Excuse me. Can you turn up?
The body was found this morning by a pair of joggers in Griffith Park. The woman has been identified as Mary Harlow, 25, Porter Ranch.
What's going on?
I have to go.
What's wrong?
Any additional information is encouraged to contact our TIPS hotline or the LAPD. We'll keep you up to date.
Hey, how was dinner?
Where's Greg?
Oh, he got called into work. Do you want to come into the den? Double Jeopardy just started.
I just want to lay down.
You sure? One of the categories is government history.
Tomorrow. Promise.
Okay.
The LAPD has not commented on reports that the victim's neighbors had recently been seeing a man going in and out of her house late at night.
That must have been some storm last night.
Yeah, there was a tree down a couple streets over. Hey, did you hear about that body they found in Griffith Park?
No, really?
Yeah. Her name was Mary or something. Apparently it was pretty gruesome.
Well, that's terrible. And it just goes to show you can never be too careful.
They have any idea who did it?
I read an article online. Said she was having some sort of secret relationship. Police are trying to figure out who it is.
Well, I certainly hope they catch him.
Me too. I gotta go to work. Love you.
Love you too.
I gotta run too.
I could make you a quick breakfast.
Rain check. I was supposed to meet Darcy before work.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey there. Don't miss our military intelligence history exhibit. It's open until 5 o'clock. Our military intelligence history exhibit until 5.
Counterintelligence program that started during World War II and lasted until 1980. The purpose of the program was to decrypt messages being sent between foreign and military intelligence services on behalf of the Soviet Union. During the program's 4 decades, thousands of messages were encrypted and threatened. As a result, the United States intelligence service made several important breakthroughs. The discovery of the
Every time.
spy ring
Yep.
of the United States, as well as the existence of a Soviet plot to target the Manhattan Project. In fact, though the project was so effective, it remained a government secret long after it ended, and was not officially declassified until 1995.
Excuse me.
There's a new development this afternoon in the murder of a local Porter Ranch woman. We go to Shelby Clark in the newsroom. Shelby?
While federal officials aren't commenting officially, sources are saying that the woman known as Mary Harlow is actually Irina Volodin, a Russian citizen rumored to be under deep cover for the Russian government.
Oh my God.
You okay?
Craig, you're home.
Yeah, I came back to pick something up. Learn anything new? Your mom said you went to the library to beef up your application.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's almost done. I asked her if she can get the mayor to help.
And what'd she say?
She couldn't make any promises, but it sounds good.
Well, you're a smart girl. I'm sure you'll figure it out. I gotta get back to work. Huh. What's this?
I went the other day to get some info for my application. Have you ever been?
No. Don't work too hard.
I won't. Many of these spies have been living in the United States. Many are married to American citizens. I know it sounds weird.
You saw your stepdad with this woman once.
Her neighbors said they thought she might be having an affair. That they saw this guy going over to her house all the time.
Okay, let's say you're right. Maybe they were having an affair. Doesn't mean he's a spy, and it certainly doesn't mean that he killed her.
Well, what about what I saw at the museum?
What about it? You saw some guy stand next to him. Did they talk?
No.
Did they exchange secret microfilm?
I'm being serious.
I've been to that museum once. Does that make me a secret agent?
I know what I saw, Darcy.
Yeah, they had similar bags. So what? Half the people that come into my store have black bags like that. If you're so concerned, why don't you call the FBI? You said yourself they think there's others out there. Could it be you're not sure? You know what I think? I think you're afraid that your mother's actually happy with him. I think you're hoping there's something wrong with him.
Of course not.
Are you sure? Because that's what it looks like to me.
Something's going on.
Fine. Prove it. Otherwise, leave it alone.
Mom, you know, if you said you were hungry, I would have made you something. Oh, no, it's okay. Mom.
What is it, honey?
I was just wondering, before you married Greg, did you ever meet any of his family, his friends?
Are you asking me if I rushed into this?
No, I'm just wondering.
I'm a big girl, you know.
I know.
Look, I know this is all still new for you. Don't worry. All you need to know is that Greg is a good man. And for the first time since your father passed away, I'm actually happy. Is it too much to ask you to be happy for me, too?
No.
Don't eat too much. He's taking us out to dinner tonight.
I won't.
This is Linda. You should take this. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Hi, this is Megan calling from Gregory Davis's office. I wanted to update his information on the Harvard alumni database. Yeah, Davis. D-A-V-I-S, class of 93. Really? Well, are you sure you have the right name? Okay, thank you. Greg Davis? He would have graduated from your high school in 1989. Well, what about... Oh, not in any year.
So I've got a little bit of good news. I spoke to the mayor today about the internship program.
Really? What'd he say?
Well, he made some calls, and he got you an interview with the committee while they're still in town.
Oh, that's so exciting.
Thursday, last slot of the day.
Thank you.
Wow, I think that deserves a toast. To my wonderful new family, my beautiful wife, and our future President of the United States, my brilliantly gifted stepdaughter.
I will drink to that.
Cheers.
Honey, what's wrong? I thought you'd be more excited.
Actually, I have a question.
It's your night.
I called your high school this afternoon.
Scarlett?
And the alumni office at Harvard.
Why would you do that?
And it's funny, neither of them have any records of you in their system. Why is that?
I think we need to have a conversation.
I think he should just answer the question.
You are embarrassing me.
I want to know.
I am so sorry about this.
No. It's okay. I should be the one that's apologizing. I haven't been completely honest with you.
What?
Look, I know I haven't told you much about my family. The reason is that my father was a terrible drunk and very, very abusive to my mother and I. And I think when I was about 12, our mother got us out of there. We moved in with my grandparents in Pittsburgh. We bounced around a bunch. We took on her maiden name, you know, just to be safe. I think it was my senior year in college that I found out about his passing, that, you know, we finally felt safe. So I didn't want to tell you about it because I didn't want you to think that I'm anything like my father, or that I could ever do anything like that to you.
No, of course not.
Sorry. Enough of that, okay? Let's order. I'm sorry. Enough. Cheers. Again. Come on. Hey. For your mother. What do you guys say we stop for some ice cream on the way home?
That sounds lovely.
So.
Sorry. Scott Halligan. Scott, where are you going?
I think you have me confused with somebody else.
What are you talking about? It's me, Billy, remember? Toledo?
I think you got the wrong guy. Have a good night.
What's that about?
I have no idea.
I don't know.
Are you sure you're gonna be okay to drive home?
I'm gonna be fine. Stop.
Let me call you an Uber.
No. I'm gonna be fine. You just get home, and I'll be right behind you. Okay? Have fun.
Me too.
Okay. Call me, all right? Let me know when you get there. Don't forget. Hello?
Billy!
Jesus, Scott.
Jesus.
Scott, please. Please go. Let's go.
Definitely come back.
Thank Martha.
Easy. That's easy.
See you, Scarlett.
It's me. Did you hear anything back from your friend yet about the name?
I told you I'd call you if I hear anything.
I'm at work. I found a secret compartment behind Greg's workbench in the garage.
I thought we talked about this.
I found the messenger bag, Darcy. There was a flash drive in it. I'm gonna see what's on it.
Darcy.
I gotta go.
I'll let you know what I find.
I'm sure you will. Now, can I please get back to work before I get fired?
Yeah.
Scarlett, hi.
Look, I know I haven't exactly been fair to you lately, and I want to make it up to you.
Really?
But first,
Aw, here we go.
I really need a favor.
I just wanted to talk to you.
I know, but if you could just help me out.
You want me to download some software for you or something?
Not exactly.
Sorry about the mess. I was up all night working.
What is it?
Some new malware I'm uploading to my credit card company. It's pretty cool, huh?
Mature.
Okay. Let's see what we got.
That's it?
What were you expecting?
I don't know, secret files, hidden directories.
Sorry to disappoint.
Well, sorry for wasting your time.
Hey, Scarlett. Hey, Scarlett. What is this about?
You know the woman they found dead in Griffith Park? The one they thought was a spy?
Yeah?
Well, they arrested a bunch of people that they thought were working with her. But they think there could be more out there.
And you think you know who one of them is?
My stepfather.
What?
I thought he was having an affair, so I followed him one night last week. It was her house, the night before they found her dead body.
Can I see that again?
What were you thinking?
Well, an image file is basically just a series of numbers that tell the computer which color to make each pixel. But it is possible to change those numbers just slightly and hide a computer code inside.
How do you know if they did that?
It's simple. You just run an algorithm to detect hidden data, and... Whoa.
Digital Forge, that's my dad's company. But what are all the numbers?
Could be anything. Cipher, coordinates, file number.
Greg said they were working on something new. Could this have something to do with it?
No idea.
Can I take a photo?
Sure.
What's happening?
The files must have been infected with something. It's formatting the computer. Here, turn everything off. Everything. That one, over there.
What happened?
Whatever was hidden on those photos, someone didn't want us to see it.
What about the flash drive?
Forget about it. It's done.
Not all of it.
Thanks.
No, that's right. So once the server's up, full deployment, and we're a go. All right, you got that? You see that right here? No, any other questions, just let me know.
Greg's been waiting for that. Let me take you down to accounting. All right.
Fully autonomous security. Oh no.
Scarlett? What are you doing here?
I wanted to talk to you. I felt bad about the other night. I shouldn't have done what I did.
Actually, I thought it was sweet.
Really?
Yes. Listen, your mother needs someone like you looking out for her. Hey, listen. Anything you want to know, the door is always open.
Thanks.
Just not right now. I'm actually on my way into a meeting, so can we talk about this later?
Sure.
Okay.
You like chocolate?
Yes, please.
Okay, here you go.
Say thank you.
Have a good one.
Thanks.
Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Whoa. She was right. Scarlett, it's me. Call me immediately. It's important. I'm on my way to... Scarlett? Scarlett? Are you here? I need to talk to you about Greg. Mrs. Davis? Anyone home? Anyone? Scarlett. It's me. Call me immediately. It's important. I'm on my way to... Hi, this is Darcy. Leave a message.
Hey, it's me. Call me back.
Hi, can I help you?
Detective Moore, LAPD. Are you Scarlett Thomas's father?
Stepfather. Come on in.
I really need to speak with your stepdaughter.
She's up in her bedroom. I'd feel more comfortable if you told me what this was about.
I'm sorry, this is a confidential matter.
Okay. Well... Scarlett, honey, the police would like to speak with you.
May I just have a moment of your time?
Sure.
Listen, why don't you two head to the kitchen? I'll give you some privacy.
Since her last outgoing call was placed to you, I just wanted to see if you could shed some light on maybe where she was going.
We were supposed to go to a late lunch and then maybe go catch a movie.
Did she leave you a message?
No, she didn't.
What time were you supposed to meet her?
3. Do you think someone could have done this?
We're investigating all the options, Miss Thomas. But a preliminary examination of your friend's vehicle indicates that it was brake failure.
So you think it was an accident?
Why? Do you have some reason to suspect otherwise? Look, Miss Thomas, I know how much she meant to you, and I'm so sorry for your loss. It's a tragedy when we lose somebody who has their whole life ahead of them, but accidents happen.
If she's gone.
Yeah.
You know, when my dad died, I locked myself in my room for days. And then Darcy came over. She said she was gonna kidnap me. She took me to all the places me and my dad used to go to. She told me I should celebrate him instead of focusing on the fact that I lost him.
You never told me about that.
She could do that, you know? Make you forget about all the bad stuff and just make you smile.
Hey.
Maybe it's my fault. Maybe if I told her not to look into Greg.
You said the police said it was an accident, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then there's nothing you could have done, is there?
No.
Scarlett, listen to me. It's not your fault.
Do you have to get back to work now?
I can tell him I'm sick. Take the afternoon off.
No. Do your thing. I'll be okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. August.
Yeah.
Thanks.
time, huh?
Not too long.
So what have you been up to?
Just busy with family.
I got a call from the mayor's assistant this afternoon.
I know.
Look, I want to know what's going on. And I don't mean with Darcy. I mean before that. Ever since you came back, you've been acting strange.
I've been acting strange?
Look, I knew that there would be a period of adjustment, but I thought at least that you would try. You're better than this. I know that. Whatever it is that you're going through, it isn't you. If there's something, anything that's bothering you, let me be there for you. Okay?
Are you done now?
I feel awful. Spending so much time working, I haven't even focused on my own stepdaughter.
She's a teenager.
Well, the new project launches tomorrow. After that, everything will be different.
Yeah.
You'll see.
Yeah, it's Greg. Yeah, I'm got my stuff together right now.
No, she's already left for work. Some early meeting about press passes or something like that. I don't know. I should be there in about 30 minutes. I know today is a big day. We've all been working very hard for this moment. Okay, all that's left to do is upload Cerberus. Let the software handle the rest. I'll see you shortly.
Oh my God.
Can I help you, miss?
I doubt it.
Miss!
Mom.
Oh, Scarlett, I'm actually in the middle of something.
You're Scarlett. Ron Anderson, nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Your mother told me what happened with your friend. You have my condolences.
Thank you.
And I've rescheduled your interview appointment for a more appropriate time.
Really, that's great.
But I'm not sure how much more leeway I can give you. The program is very competitive.
Okay, I understand. Mom, it's really important.
It's okay. We can continue this another time. You know, I've got 3 of my own. I expect great things from you, Scarlett.
Come on. Sweetie, what's going on? You're scaring me.
It's about Greg.
Well, what about him? Hold on. Can you give me a minute? I'm with my daughter.
I just wanted to let you know that your husband's here to see you.
Okay, thank you.
What the hell?
What is it? What's going on?
He knew I was here.
Scarlett?
You know what? It's nothing.
Nothing? You're shaking.
Yeah, it's just stress. Don't worry about me. I'll go. I'll see you tonight.
Scarlett, what a nice surprise.
I thought you'd be in the office. Today's the big day, isn't it?
Yeah. All the hard work's done. The software is uploading, so I thought I'd come by and see my girl. Both of my girls.
Actually, I was just on my way out. I'll talk to you two later.
I wish I knew what that was about.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Hey.
I found Darcy's bracelet in the garage. She was there. She was at the house.
Whoa, hold on, slow down. What are you talking about?
He killed her. She was at her house and he killed her.
Okay, we gotta tell your mom.
I tried. I'm at the office building now.
And?
He showed up.
What?
It was almost like he knew. Just like how he knew with Darcy. But how would he know where I was gonna be unless... Wait a minute.
Scarlett, what is it?
I gotta go.
Scarlett.
I'll come by and see you later.
Really well with women over the age of 45, but what we need to do is focus on a younger demographic. It's not going to work. So, let's go through some of these.
Oh no.
We are in way too deep.
It gets worse.
I really don't see how that's possible.
I think he killed my dad.
What?
I found an envelope in the garage. My dad ordered a background check on him.
Did it turn anything up?
Yeah. Gregory Davis is dead.
What?
He died 30 years ago when he was 2 years old. Same name, same social security number. He stole his identity.
That's cold.
And if Greg found out what my dad knew...
Would you think he killed him?
Yeah. You know that code we found on the flash drive?
Yeah.
The day Darcy died, I broke into his office.
You did what?
Relax, no one saw me.
After everything you've told me?
You were right. It was a file number. That new project he's been working on, it's a new piece of network security software for the NSA.
Jeez.
You know what he could do with that kind of information? The kind of access he could get?
When does it launch?
Today.
Agent Everett, how can I help you?
I'd like to speak to someone about a suspected spy.
You can talk to me.
I believe my stepfather was involved with Irina Volodin. He might have been the one that killed her. I also have reason to believe that his assignment is to use the company he works for to infiltrate the NSA.
What's the name of this individual?
He goes by Gregory Davis.
And you said you're his stepdaughter?
Yes, correct. Scarlett Thomas. I have proof of the allegations, money, passports, everything. His program launches today. After that, he'll have access to the entire NSA database.
We're gonna have to move quickly on this then.
Everything I have is at my house.
All right, how about you bring whatever you've got over to our office right away?
Okay, great. Thanks.
Hope you know what you're doing.
Me too.
We just received a message. Your husband needs you to meet him at the house right away.
Did he say why? Is something wrong?
It sounded urgent.
Okay, do me a favor and reschedule my 3 o'clock with Patty from the DNC. See if she can do Friday. I'll be on my cell if anyone needs me.
You know what to do, right?
Yeah.
August, how's it going in there? August? 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 Mom, I'm behind you.
Why did you make me do this?
I'm not the one who betrayed my family.
You're not my family. Give me the bag. Don't make me do something I don't want to do. Nobody else needs to get hurt. It's a good girl. Rhoda.
Greg, you don't need to do this. Did you ever love me? Greg, this isn't you. Please. Please, Greg, say something.
Das wird done.
Any idea what you've done? How long have you been working on that program?
You better run. I know what you must think.
Come on.
You will see it's for the best. You're a smart girl, Scarlett. See, this country has been able to run unchecked for too long. There's no balance. No one to keep things in check. No one country should have that kind of power. But we can change things. One step at a time. You in here, Scarlett?
Something you believe in, to have a cause greater than yourself.
Mom, are you okay?
Yeah.
Any idea where you're gonna go?
I have my eye on a little apartment in Century City. Or I could just come stay with you in Sacramento.
The apartment's barely big enough as it is. Don't worry, I'll come visit.
Oh, yeah? Where are you gonna stay?
In the meantime, I'll keep an eye on her.
Please.
Hey.
Are you gonna be okay, Mom?
I'm just proud.
No, I mean you.
Oh, don't worry. With the governor's term just starting, I have my hands full. Your father would have been proud.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.